In this video, I'll be showing different ways you can style your hairs, your braids using Brazilian wool. You know, recently Brazilian wool has been trending and we've all been wondering what's causing the trend, not knowing that it's been different styles you can create. You can have a knotless braid with a Brazilian wool, you can have goddess braid, you can have a twist, you can have any style of your choosing with Brazilian wool. That's the amazing part of the Brazilian wool. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome on board. Your girl Lola Airline, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed yet, and also leave a comment and like under this post. Thank you and enjoy the video.